Hello, in this video I would like to show you our newest SP series, which is designed for the newer LC screen that originally equipped with the LED backlight strips. This one is it comes with the L-shaped reflectors. So basically, when you receive it, you're going to receive one L-shaped reflectors and LED strips. You can see obviously the LED is different, and the smaller LED driver and the wire harness. It depends on the kits that you order, or depends on your inverter. Some of them comes with the wire adapters, so you can something like this. You can connect here and connect your existing inverter wire harness to it. So anyway, let's take a look at our LED kit again. When it comes with the L-shaped aluminum reflectors, LED strips. Let's take a little screen that I can show you. This basically, again, this is just stick to this or this end. It depends on the type of the LCD screens. For example, this one is a AU Electronics. It's a G150XG01 version 3. Okay, so the L strips here. So basically, disconnect this, and then there's one screw here. I already remove it. So and then you just remove the LED strips. Let's see here. This is LED strips. So okay, you see that? And then you just pull it out. Okay. Again, when you purchase LEDs with the kits, we don't stick to the reflector because it depends on LCD screens. For example, this one we just pull out. It goes like, I'm sorry, wrong directions. It goes out like this. So that way you look at it, and then you know we're gonna stick to this side. Okay. So just simply peel it off. Double side tip. You stick to this. You see this? Simple. Just stick to it, and basically you just slice right back. When you upgrade it, you make sure and got it? Alright, so this end just connect to our drivers. It's really simple. And then you can connect to a tester. So connect to a screen, and that's it. This end is quite simple. The red is input, black is ground, the yellow is enable, and then white is your no connections. But if your inverter does not have a enable voltage, just simply short out this on CN1 between VIN to VNA on this driver MS610. So let's take a look. You know how easy it is? Just simply remove the old LED and put back. Then you get much brighter brightness. So let me fire my generators, and connect this to here. Let me see the connections. All right, so it should be like this. Okay. Alright, this tester has a built-in generator, color pattern generator, so we just connect the voltage, because this one has a 1024 by 760A, so we just fire up. Oh, here we go, the back connections. You see that? See how bright it is? Alright, so again, this is SP series with the L-shaped reflectors. You see how easy to install? It's really convenient to install it. And this series also works with the other older display that has a CCFL. For example, let's take a look about this screen. This screen is called NL6448AC33-18. So it's a little bit older screen, have a CCFL lamp, and you know, you can use this. I already stick to it. So basically you just pull out the reflector. I mean, you have watched our previous video before when we use you know, a UB series. UB series you can stick to here, that's okay. But this one's much convenience. You just stick it in, you don't have to mess around with that, and it's much brighter. You see this? We just slice out. Okay, let's take a look at this one. We can test it. You know, this is one of our kits that we sell that testing the older screen that have TTL interface with 640 by 480 resolution. That's a little bit older one. So, and then you're gonna connect to here. Where's my driver? It's here. Okay. So here you go. You can just fire up. Apply this one. I need to apply a video signal, video source through a VGA, and you just fire up. It's really easy. No soldering. So it's actually pretty bright. And also for some of the almost most of the NEC screen, 10.4 and 12.1, and some of the 12-inch NEC screen. So I have a sample here. I want to show you. Here is a NEC screen, right? This is NL8060BC3127, which is 12.1 inch. Same thing. So basically, this L-shaped kit is actually compatible with most of those screen that the backlight lamp or CCF lamp mount on one side, and then you can easily slice out. So let me see the reflectors I have here. It's this one. All right. So basically, that's what you receive here. You look at the screen first. This one you pull out like this. You see this? Okay, make sure it's clean. And then the LED kits here. So you look at it, so you know it goes this side, right? So then you stick your LED strip like this side. The wire comes out this side. That's really important. That's why we don't stick to the reflector before we ship. So you can look at your old reflectors to see which side the wire was coming out from, and then you stick to it. That's really convenient. See that? Less than 1 minute you do it, and then you slice right back, right? Here we go. And then you can always test it. This is 680 by 480. We have another kit here. Here we go. It's 800 by 600 for TTL. So we could test it. And then the LED drivers here. All right. So you connect to it. And we need to apply a signal. Flip over. Apply the powers. See that? See how bright it is? So it's quite easy to upgrade from CCFL or original LED strip to our SB series with L-shaped reflectors. See that? Okay, thank you for watching.